following are branches of the arch of the aorta. So when we think of the arch to the aorta, we have this part here on the heart, right? When you have these three branches that come off, those are off of the aorta, and the aorta is the part of the heart that sends blood throughout the rest of the body. Now, something to consider when you're answering this question is that you're probably used to usually seeing these three structures here when you see on your picture of your heart. But actually, something that usually you don't see on a general picture of just the heart itself is that these extend further than what you see. And when you have your branches, you have that, you have the one in the middle, but also at the end here, you could have a smaller branch coming off is actually there, but sometimes not seen. So it might look like there's more than just these three. But we want to know which are the three main ones to identify to answer this question, because when it's asking which are the branches of the aorta, of the arch of the aorta, we're looking at just 1, 2, and 3. And what are the names of the three aorta branches here? So this one here, that is your brachiocephalic. So we know that brachiocephalic, which we could put here as the B, is one of the branches that we're looking for. And brachiocephalic, it looks like it's in all of the choices. So nothing to eliminate just yet. Next, let's take a look at this middle branch here. And this part is known as your left common carotid. So LCC, we can mark it as there. So we know that the left common carotid has to be in our answer choice. So we see there's a left common carotid here and a left common carotid here. So we know that it should be options A or D. Options B and C says a right common carotid. Now, is there a right common carotid here? Well, no, because at the end here, this is your left subclavian is the one at the end there. So there actually isn't anything that's labeled with the right that we're looking for in the aorta here. So for that reason, we don't need this, we don't need that, and then we can eliminate options B and C. So now, between options A and D, which one do we go with? So option A says brachiocephalic, which is correct. We need the brachiocephalic. Option D has that as well. Then in the middle is the left subclavian, which is correct. Oh, option D doesn't have the left subclavian. It looks like it has the right subclavian, which we know is incorrect. It's not labeled as right, it's labeled as left. So we can eliminate that and eliminate option D, which makes option A our correct answer because we have our brachiocephalic, our left subclavian, and our left common carotid are all the three aortic branches that we're looking for. So option A is our answer choice here.